This will be just a little update on my alarm, auto door locks. I was driving the other day and then it was locked because when you start the car, it was locked. I picked up a friend, realized I had to reach over and unlock it, and how the typical car with power door locks should have a switch in the interior to switch on and off. I mean, lock and unlock. I don't have that. Um, because the car originally don't have the power door lock. So I'm gonna do a switch, interior switch, for the door lock, so I can control it from the inside of the car. Just got this in today. Um, this universal power window switch, 5 pin. So this is what I'm gonna use to control the power door lock from inside of the car. I've got to this far, just test fitted it, and it did fit. Um, so when you actually sand this thing, I'm using a file to kind of slowly file away for the edge without breaking it. So it's file a little bit, measure, file a little bit, chest fit. Take a little hot minute, but right now it's pretty snug. It's not like the perfect symmetric. This is a little bit closer to the edge. This is kind of lean. It just went in a little bit, but it's okay. You know, it can't be perfect, but this is how you're going to sit. So I could lock and unlock the interior of the car. Um, this should work. So right now I have to break up this 3 wire. I use the same alarm wire that was cut off originally installed. I still have a little bit. So basically the blue, the green, and the negative. So I tap into the negative, to the negative, and the blue to the blue from the alarm itself, and the green right there. Um, I haven't taped it up yet. I'm gonna test it up right now. So the unlock, I already used the ohm meter to test it. So the middle pin is gonna be my negative, and the top one is gonna be the blue, which is the unlock, and the bottom gonna be the green. So right now, if I push unlock, I'm unlocked. Right now it's locked. I'll push stuff for unlocked. So that's, you see my door over there is unlocked and then locked. So this is where I install this original piece back on. This is the light. It's like that. It's not so bad. I mean, it's not. If I want anything firmer, I could just glue a little bit. Let's see how it goes. If I glue a little bit, but it's not going to be falling off. So yes, now it works.